Now that you know our contest judges, let's hear how they found the contest entries. Kita mulakan dengan kategori bukan fiksyen bahasa Melayu. Bagi kategori ini, saya ingin menjemput saudara Khairul Masnizam Abdullah, penulis beberapa buah buku termasuk I Am a Backpacker, untuk menyampaikan sedikit perasaan dan juga pendapat berkaitan dengan apa yang telah beliau saksikan dalam pertandingan ini. Silakan.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera kepada div-div kehormat, para hakim, pemenang-pemenang, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan sekalian. Berikut adalah kenyataan panel hakim bagi kategori bukan fiksyen bahasa Melayu, peraduan menulis dan fotografi anjuran Yayasan Maybank, Yayasan Kepimpinan Perdana 2020. Saya, Khairul Masnizam Abdullah, mewakili rakan-rakan hakim, Profesor Dr. Sarinah Jaafar dan Johan Irwan Kamaruzaman dalam membentangkan penyata ini. Peserta boleh memilih untuk menghantarkan esei mereka dalam bahasa Melayu atau bahasa Inggeris. Tahun ini adalah kali pertama setiap bahasa dinilai berasingan dan diberikan set hadiah tersendiri. Peraduan ini telah menerima 8,062 penyertaan untuk semua kategori. Sebanyak 839 penyertaan diterima bagi kategori bukan fiksyen bahasa Melayu. Setiap penyertaan dinilai berdasarkan isi, bentuk, gaya dan impak keseluruhan. Para hakim ingin berkongsi pendapat serta pemerhatian kami. Secara keseluruhannya, penguasaan bahasa Melayu adalah sangat memuaskan. Para hakim berpendapat bahawa ramai peserta tiada masalah melakukan penyelidikan asas mengenai topik alam persekitaran. Namun, sebilangan kecil tidak mengaitkan rujukan yang boleh menyebabkan berlakunya unsur plagiat. Dari segi analisis, para hakim mendapati bahawa sebahagian penulis merumuskan pembacaan dan penyelidikan mereka tanpa memberi hujah yang asli. Walau bagaimanapun, terdapat peserta yang amat kreatif dalam menyampaikan huraian. Sebagai kesimpulan, para hakim berpendapat bahawa mutu penyertaan adalah baik dengan bakat penulisan yang boleh diasah. Berhubung dengan ini, panel hakim berpendirian bahawa lebih banyak boleh dilakukan untuk menggiatkan penulisan bukan fiksyen kreatif atau creative non-fiction writing di peringkat sekolah dan universiti. Para hakim memuji peserta atas hasil usaha mereka dan mengucapkan tahniah kepada semua pemenang. Kami akan terus menyokong sebarang usaha untuk menggalakkan penulis-penulis berbakat di Malaysia dan mengalu-ngalukan pusingan peraduan seterusnya. Sekian, terima kasih.
Terima kasih Encik Khairul di atas perkongsian pendapat. I would now like to invite one of the judges from the photo category. He's a professional photographer himself and lectures at Multimedia University, Mr. Cik Ahmad Azhar.
Assalamualaikum and good day. I'm Cik Ahmad Azhar, representing the panel of judges comprising myself and my colleagues, Ms. Trisha Toh and Mr. Mahen Bala. This is the second time I'm serving as a judge. It is a pleasure to be part of this contest again. I'm pleased to report that the photos category attracted 3,492 entries, the highest number received for this contest series. Each entry was evaluated based on, firstly, photo composition and techniques, and secondly, visual storytelling, with the photo captions acting as complementary material to convey the message. The judges would like to share the following remarks and observations. Firstly, we commend the interest and enthusiasm shown by the participants, which was reflected by the number of entries received. Creativity was high as entrants chose different compositions and techniques to tell their stories and convey their message. The judges also commend the photographic techniques as well as quality of entries, especially by the lower age group. The judges note that the younger contestants were more direct in their compositions, resulting in very clear messages through their photograph. The older contestants utilized finer techniques to capture photos that were more artistic but with more ambiguous storytelling. Nonetheless, the photos submitted are all of high quality and the contestants should be very proud of their work. Overall, the quantity and quality of entries for this category of the contest was excellent, and it was tough to decide on the winners. The judges warmly congratulate all winners and will continue to support the quest to encourage and reward good photography skills. Thank you.
Thank you, Cik Ahmad Azhar. Finally, let's hear from an English fiction author, a prolific author of non-fiction as well as fiction, and a Malaysian restaurant in London. But what this author is most famous for are his spooky stories, or cerita hantu. So much so that he's dubbed Asia's Stephen King. Ladies and gentlemen, to represent the fiction category judges, let's welcome Tunku Halim.
Distinguished guests, esteemed judges, winners, and ladies and gentlemen. I am Tunku Halim, representing my fellow judges, Hana Alkaf and Tina Isaacs. This is the second time I'm serving as a judge, and it is my pleasure to be part of this contest again. The contest attracted 8,062 entries across all categories. I'm pleased to report that the fiction English category received 1,799 submissions across both age groups. The judging was based on content, form, style, and overall impact. These are the judges' feedback and observations. We commend the enthusiasm shown for the fiction category, a positive indication of creative writing talent and interest among young Malaysians. Creativity was high, as entrants chose different perspectives, settings, and points of view through which to tell their stories. Many entrants could have benefited from knowledge of basic story mechanics, i.e., beginnings, build-ups, and satisfying conclusions. Additionally, more attention to grammar, punctuation, and spelling would have elevated many submissions. Nevertheless, we enjoyed the stories submitted and creativity displayed. Overall, the quality of entries submitted was high, and the judges had a tough time selecting the winners. We feel that this bodes well for fiction writing among youth in Malaysia. Once again, we commend all contestants for their effort and hope that this contest has raised awareness about the power of words and storytelling. We warmly congratulate all winners and will continue to support the quest to encourage and reward good writing. Thank you.